I have over 100 eyeshadow palettes, and a random number generator picked the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream palette. Let's get into it. The Ice Cream Dream palette was one of Glamlite's original food-based palettes. It was released in 2020 as far as I can tell, and it was just gorgeous. 30 pan palette, beautiful shades, nice and pastel. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with a white eyeshadow primer. The reason for a white eyeshadow primer is it'll give those pastel shades something to hold on to and make them look more vibrant and show up more true to color. I'm applying with my finger first just to get a good coverage and get it warmed up, and then I'll go in with a brush. This is the Rose & Ben C31. It's a really good brush for blending out creams and like concealer and stuff. Really want to even out that base to make sure that it's nice and smooth. I'm going to bring it over here a little bit. Now that we're nice and set on a Rose & Ben E28, I'm going to take the shade Honey Lavender, just kind of on the edge of the brush or the tip, but on the side right there. And I'm going to place that above my crease and in my crease. Don't be afraid to load the brush up with pastel colors. Sometimes you need it to really get that color payoff. A little bit more. Kind of a motorcycle outside or something loud. Now on a Rose & Ben E27, I'm going to take this shade Pistachio and I'm going to transition that purple just by tapping right above . Next, on the same brush, after I wiped it off, I'm gonna go in with shade Cookie Monster and go right above that green on the brow bone. We're going for kind of a watercolory look, or maybe like a painting. It's a little bit more than just a normal everyday look. Next, I'm going to take the shade Orange Cream and start to transition towards the inner corner. Now I'm going to take mochi and bring that right here. Towards that inner corner. Next, I'm going to take a Rosamond E29 and just kind of blend those edges a little bit. Holding the brush ever so slightly down towards the bottom. Just going to kind of swirl it around a little bit. Make it more of a watercolor. Now using my finger, I'm going to go in with the shade Strawberry and go right in that inner corner. Then I'm going to take Blueberry Cheesecake and add that next to it. Now I'm going to add Cotton Candy next to that. And then I'm going to take Birthday Cake and put that on the outer corner. It's okay if it's a little bit messy, we'll clean that up in a little bit. I'm going to finish up my face and then I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Now I'm going to add a black wing. This is the Pat McGrath Labs black liner. Now I'm going to add the Sephora waterproof liner in lavender. This is a matte pencil. Put that in my waterline. I tightlined my upper lash line. Now I'm going to take that first shade, Honey Lavender, and put it under my eyes. And just line the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to add my favorite Lancome Hypnose mascara. Now I'm going to add Unicorn Gang Lavender Haze. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use French Vanilla, just a little bit on my brow bone. And my nose. My cheeks. And Cupid's bow. What do you think? Overall, this palette is pretty good. I like how easy it blends. I love the shade range. I'm sad that it's discontinued, but what can you do? Glamlite has gone in a different direction, and a lot of it is horror related, which isn't really my thing, but if that's your thing, go for it. They're a pretty good brand and woman-owned, which is really great, especially during Women's History Month. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Okay, love you. Bye.